Kanu now. Kanu protests happening live in Abia. We are demanding for the unconditional release of our great leader Nnamdi Kanu. He committed no crime known to law. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. That is what we are demanding today, being the 20th of January 2026. We are demanding for the release of our leader. Yes. Something is going on today, 20th of January 2026. The indigenous people of Biafra, they are protesting. What they are protesting is very simple. We are demanding. Today is a sad day for us, but also a remarkable day, a memorable day in anniversary for those who was killed and slaughtered in cold blood day. What was their crime? They committed no offense. The only offense they committed because they stand firm to show their support to Mr. Trump, the President of the United States of America. That was the only offense they committed. We are here demanding the world should know IPOB are not backing down. Indigenous people of Biafra, we are not backing down. Not one day, not today, not forever. Our land must be given. No run, no run. No run, no run, no run. No run, no run. And our demand is still remain many things. We want justice for those being killed on that very day. On that very day, being 20th of January 2017, those people we are killed on cold blood. We are here declare our own politics solidarity to the world, for them to know we are demanding justice, for the world to know. Since 2021, injustice going on. All the injustice going on in zoo called Nigeria. Our leader's house was invaded on April 14, 2027. More than 28 people go down. Nigeria government, APC government, killed an innocent and unarmed arrest civilians. They shot them because they are demanding for their rights. Our leader was preparing to go to the court. Nigerian government invaded their home and killed more than 28 people. And we are here demanding the international community to make an investigation over the insecurity going on in Southeast. Many governors of Southeast, their hands are in the insecurity going on in Southeast. Our demands remains thorough investigation for the massacre of our people at Ugweche, Port Harcourt, Hebridge, Onitsha. A lot of atrocity goes on that very day, 2017, 28. Up to 9 years now, nothing has been happening. No investigation. Nothing was going on. We demand justice. We demand justice. We demand justice. The Nigerian government should go out, show us the law they use and sentence him. Yeah. Our demands. Easy. This is our demand. Easy. This is our demand. This is our demand. This is our demand. Let the world know. Let the world know. Let the world know. IPOB are not backing down. We cannot back down. Let the world know. This is our. Let the world know. This is our justice. This is our justice. We need justice. We need justice. Our demand is simple. People are killed at Abia State. People were killed at Anambra, at Imo State, Tiger Base. Our youth have, even at Imo State, all the eastern region in Imo State, our youth have been slaughtered at the Tiger Base. Here in Anambra, go to Lion Base. They have killed a lot of people. The atrocity in the old eastern region, Southeast, is unbearable. Trump, we demand you to intervene. Set a justice, ICC International, all over the world. We want the world. We not see the law. 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 This is me, no faith in Zanga. Not a brotherly fair. No freedom, no peace. And I go, nobody fight again. If I let no freedom, no peace. Nigeria government will buy. If they shoot them, we tell them how we have prepared. We are prepared. We are prepared beyond everything. Donald Trump, they are bribing your representatives. Yes, we are here. Life and direct. Life and direct. Our demand is simple. Our demand are simple. We are life and direct. Our demand are simple. Our demand are simple. Our demand are simple.